Hello everyone, my name is Antoine, I'm a civil engineer. I'm sharing this video in order to introduce you to my new application, Construction Companion. I've spent years helping people through their problems in construction, in their schedule, budget, water leakage, or most importantly, structural problems. It always felt great and gave me that rush that I can use my passion in construction and engineering to help others. But after that rush, I was faced with a big dilemma. No matter how many people you help, they would still make a very small percentage of the whole population. So what can I do about it? I cannot drive by the whole universe. So I gazed into a pool of answers and brainstormed every idea. Until my skills in coding came to the rescue. I chose to solve one problem at a time. I started with the economic solution due to the current economic situation. As you can see, extremely light application. No ads, minimal design, nothing distract. You can literally put it out wherever you are, in the construction site, your home, or anywhere and whenever you are. You don't need any internet connection and it won't ask or collect any of your data. It also does not need any of the permissions to run, won't use your camera, your gallery, or any of your sensors. It has 27 compact pages and it will help you in bidding, filling your bill of quantities, and to track your costs using the earned value management, making it handy for contractors, project managers, civil engineers, architects, and other engineers dealing with construction. It already has a lot of details, but us engineers always make sure to evolve our design and our construction method to the better. So I want you to look at this application as a living organism that would grow with you and would evolve with time. So if there's any feature in the future that you want me to add or detail, just message me and I will make sure to include it in my next update. Right now, probably the most important topic for a lot of people, it's pricing. It's basically paid once in a lifetime and it's way less than a monthly subscription to watch any TV show or film that you love. And go ahead, check it out right now on Google Play Store. Problems, frustrating and time consuming. But if we think about it, problems generate from the process of the most important and most enjoyable stuff in our life. Your graduation, your business, your marriage, or even building your home. Since problems are mandatory, the importance will be on how to deal with them and not how to avoid them. The problem solver for your construction is your engineer. Make sure to choose the worthy one. I look at that app as an extension of myself. Whenever I think about it, I always knew I would be in this industry. Maybe because of my sketches or thoughts when I was a child, or maybe because of my direct instinct. Whenever I see some stones or building material, I couldn't resist the urge to use them for some experiment. Even though it's mainly intended for architects, engineers, and contractors, a lot of people would find it useful because they will be undergoing new construction or renovation, and we are all hearing about a coming economic crisis, and every penny should count. And a very important suggestion for people outside the industry and intend to use it. As I said, it can be extremely useful for them. I will be posting a tutorial about how to use my application here on my YouTube channel, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. In the end, if I were to leave you one phrase it would be everything is possible. With the right design and the right execution, whether you wish to achieve a certain budget, schedule, or a certain level of quality. So, design smarter, execute smarter, and plan both of them the smartest with your construction companion.